You no longer need humans to produce films. You can now produce a Hollywood-quality movie with the click of a button. It sounds impossible, yet it is true. MovieGen, Meta's innovative AI technology, is going to transform the film business. Imagine making a Hollywood-quality film with no actors, directors, or crew members, just you and a simple text prompt. You input a few sentences and hit a button, and within seconds, a fully realized scene with lifelike images, synchronized sound, and dramatic effects appears. What used to take months and millions of dollars now takes just minutes. This is not the future of filmmaking. It is the present. Prepare to enter a world where creativity has no bounds, and all you need is an idea and a click. Meta's MovieGen is more than simply an artificial intelligence tool. It's a game-changing step into the future of content production, where the border between vision and reality merges into a seamless experience. MovieGen is more than just creating a collection of photographs or video clips. It's about transforming your ideas into full-fledged, high-quality films with music, action, and even emotional impact. Let's look at what makes MovieGen such a transformational technology and why it's poised to revolutionize the creative environment. At the heart of MovieGen is a powerful 30 billion parameter model that enables it to manage the complexities of film creation in ways never seen before. It understands dynamic interactions between objects, characters, and surroundings, as well as static situations. For example, consider asking MovieGen to design a scenario in which a dancer performs on a rain-soaked street. You would not get a basic loop of a figure whirling. The dancer's motions would react to the surroundings, rainfall bouncing off her skin, wet garments adhering to her body, and the reflections of her elegant spins in the puddles below. MovieGen distinguishes itself with its meticulous attention to detail. And it isn't just about visual quality. MovieGen specializes in understanding sounds and how they interact with the visual world. Video production is as much about what you hear as what you see. That's why Meta included a 13 billion parameter sound model capable of producing high-fidelity audio in perfect rhythm with the created video. Whether it's the clinking of glasses in a crowded cafe or the distant rumble of thunder in a storm, MovieGen does more than just duplicate sound. It incorporates it into the mood, totally immersing you in the scene you're creating. And this isn't your typical compressed audio. MovieGen provides it at 48 kHz quality, resulting in pristine, cinema-level sound that improves the experience. For content makers, this is game-changing. Consider a travel vlogger who does not have the means to visit exotic areas. With MovieGen, users might provide a description of a secret beach in Bali or the bustling streets of Tokyo, and it would appear as if they had traveled halfway around the world. They might overlay their voiceovers or travel suggestions, resulting in high-quality material that seems real, yet being created from the comfort of their own home. The days of costly airline tickets and film equipment may be past for creators who just want to communicate their story visually. But MovieGen's promise extends beyond individual content makers. Its ramifications for businesses such as marketing, education, and entertainment are extensive. Consider a marketer that needs to create many versions of the same commercial for various markets. Traditionally, this would need several shots, edits, and hours of post-production time. However, using MovieGen, the entire process can be shortened. A simple suggestion might modify the scenery, backdrop, or product characteristics to suit distinct audiences in real time. Want to place an advertisement in which your product appears in a Parisian cafe? Or perhaps a bright vineyard in Tuscany? With MovieGen, it's as simple as requesting it. Furthermore, the personalization options with MovieGen are endless. Brands might create individual ads depending on each customer's choices. For example, if a corporation learns that a consumer appreciates outdoor activities, they may produce an ad set in a magnificent mountain environment with rustling leaves and chirping birds in the backdrop. Meanwhile, another consumer who enjoys cityscapes may see an advertisement for the same product placed against the backdrop of a sleek metropolitan skyline. This kind of personalization would significantly increase engagement giving customers the impression that the information they're viewing was created just for them. The benefits do not end there. MovieGen's editing skills are just as groundbreaking. Assume you filmed a video, but something seems strange. The sky is too dreary, or perhaps the scene does not quite match the vibe you're aiming for. Making these modifications in traditional editing might take hours, if not days, depending on the shoot's intricacy. However, using MovieGen, you could make these changes on the fly. Want to see a more spectacular sunset? Simply put it in and see the sky turn beautiful shades of orange and purple. Want to replace a cityscape with a calm forest? Done. No awkward cuts or inappropriate lighting. MovieGen effortlessly combines these adjustments, making it appear as if the scene was filmed this way from the start. Now, let's look at the broader picture. How MovieGen is set to transform the film business itself. Historically, filmmaking has been a resource-intensive process. To capture the perfect moment, directors and producers spend millions of dollars assembling the appropriate crew, exploring locations, and designing complex sets. Post-production can take months as editors meticulously stitch together video, add CGI effects, and ensure that every aspect is spot on. But what if, instead of devoting months to production, filmmakers could just express their concept and see it evolve in real time? MovieGen may be the key to unlocking this future. Of course, this does not imply that conventional filmmaking will disappear suddenly. But MovieGen provides a fresh area for filmmakers to explore. Indie filmmakers with low budgets may now compete with major studios by utilizing AI-generated images to bring their tales to life without needing expensive equipment or locations. Experimental filmmakers might push the medium's limitations, generating bizarre, dreamy experiences that would be difficult to capture in reality. The only limit is the creator's creativity. The educational potential of MovieGen is equally amazing. Consider the impact this may have on schools throughout the world. Instead of reading about historical events in textbooks, students might watch immersive, AI-generated reenactments. Imagine learning about ancient Egypt by virtually walking around a lively marketplace, engaging with vendors, and seeing the pyramids' buildings in real time. Consider a scientific lesson in which kids might explore the depths of the ocean or the vast reaches of space, all from the safety of their classroom. Visualization has the potential to make complicated subjects more engaging and understandable, thereby improving education's effectiveness and accessibility. MovieGen has the potential to revolutionize the gaming business by advancing immersive storytelling. Consider playing a game in which the environment around you is dynamically formed based on your actions and decisions. The landscape, characters, and even the narrative might change in real time, resulting in a truly personalized and unique gaming experience for each player. MovieGen eliminates the need for scripted linear tales, opening the door to endless possibilities in which each player's journey is unique. However, with tremendous power comes enormous responsibility. MovieGen is intriguing, but it also presents major ethical and intellectual property concerns. What happens when AI creates stuff that closely resembles copyrighted material? Who owns the copyright of AI-generated videos, particularly those based on prior works? These are the concerns that the legal world will have to address as AI technology advances. Meta has been cognizant of these concerns, carefully curating the release of MovieGen to ensure that it is utilized properly and ethically. MovieGen is still in the testing phase, with access limited to a restricted set of creators as Meta investigates its full potential. Another problem is the enormous processing power required to execute MovieGen. The technology underlying it is extremely resource-intensive, necessitating vast quantities of computing power and energy. While MovieGen is not yet available to the general public, advances in hardware and AI are occurring at a rapid rate. As these technologies advance, MovieGen and similar tools may become more broadly available, democratizing the realm of content production in ways we have yet to imagine. Despite these hurdles, one thing is clear: MovieGen is the future of creativity. It's a tool that enables anybody to become a filmmaker, storyteller, or artist, regardless of technical ability or finances. Whether you're a seasoned expert or have never picked up a camera before, MovieGen allows you to bring your ideas to life in previously inconceivable ways. It's more than simply a new means to generate content. It's a new way to imagine. So, what will your first invention be? With MovieGen, the only limit is your creativity. Whether you want to create a gorgeous vacation film, a high-concept ad, or a full cinematic experience, MovieGen is your doorway to a new world of creation. The future of narrative has arrived, and it is more amazing than we ever dreamed. If you're as interested in MovieGen as I am, be sure to like it, subscribe for more stuff, and tell me in the comments what you'd make with this fantastic technology. Until next time, keep dreaming big.